How to find duplicate photos and videos on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find duplicate photos and videos on iPhone or iPad. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The Photos app identifies duplicate photos and videos in your photo library in the Duplicates album. You can merge duplicate photos and videos to save space and clean up your library. To find duplicate photos, firstly launch the Settings application on a device and further tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS, as the duplicate feature does not work in iOS version older than iOS 16. Once you have ensured your iPhone is updated, go ahead and open the Photos application and scroll down and you will see the option for duplicates below Utility. Tap on that. Duplicate photos and videos appear next to each other. Tap on the Merge option to combine the duplicates if you want. Merging combines the highest quality version and all of the relevant data across the duplicates and keeps that one in your library. The remaining duplicates are moved to the recently deleted album. Also, if you do not have the duplicate album even after having the latest version of iOS, then it probably is because you do not have any duplicate photos or videos in your library. So this is how you can find duplicate photos and videos on iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.